What if we could create our own sun? Yes. China is succeeding in building an artificial sun, an incredible scientific breakthrough that could change the way we produce energy. But how does this revolutionary project work? What are its benefits and risks? And most importantly, when will it become a reality? Let's explore these fascinating questions in detail. China's artificial sun, known as EAST, Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, is a nuclear fusion reactor designed to replicate the energy-producing processes of the real sun. Unlike traditional nuclear reactors, which split atoms, fission, this reactor fuses hydrogen atoms together to generate enormous amounts of energy. Scientists believe that fusion energy could be the key to solving the world's energy crisis. China has been working on this project for over 2 decades, conducting multiple experiments to sustain extreme temperatures and stabilize the plasma inside the reactor. In fact, in December 2021, EAST set a new world record by maintaining a temperature of 70 million degrees Celsius for over 1,000 seconds, 5 times hotter than the sun's core. This groundbreaking project is being developed in Hefei, the capital of Anhui Province, China. The facility is a hub for advanced energy research and is home to some of the world's leading nuclear scientists and engineers. China isn't working alone. This project is part of a global effort to develop nuclear fusion technology, with collaboration from researchers in the US, Europe, and other nations. Another major initiative in this field is the ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, project in France, where China is also a key partner. If successfully implemented, China's artificial sun could revolutionize our world. Here are some of the biggest benefits. Unlike nuclear fission, which creates hazardous radioactive waste, fusion reactions produce minimal waste, making it much safer. With such massive advantages, fusion energy could replace coal, oil, and even traditional nuclear power, leading us into a new era of sustainable energy. What are its risks? Dramatic visuals of energy crises, reactor safety measures, scientists monitoring plasma stability. However, every scientific breakthrough comes with challenges. Here are some of the biggest obstacles. China's artificial sun faces extreme technical challenges. Maintaining a stable fusion reaction requires temperatures above 100 million degrees Celsius, making containment incredibly difficult. High costs. Developing fusion technology requires billions of dollars, and even if successful, commercial fusion reactors may take decades to become affordable. Uncertain timeline. Despite significant progress, no fusion reactor has yet produced a net energy gain, meaning more energy is still needed to sustain the reaction than it actually generates. So, when can we expect China's artificial sun to be fully operational? Scientists estimate that commercial fusion reactors could become viable by the 2040s or even sooner if research accelerates. Meanwhile, China is planning to build a large-scale experimental fusion power plant in the next few years, which will be a stepping stone toward future energy production. In addition to EAST, China is also developing the HL2M Tokamak, another fusion project aimed at refining this groundbreaking technology. Together, these efforts could push humanity closer to a future powered by limitless clean energy. Oh friends, China's artificial sun represents a huge leap in science and energy production. If this technology succeeds, it could transform the way we live and power our world. But what do you think? Will fusion energy become our primary power source in the future, or do you think there are still too many challenges to overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.